Welcome to Speak English Now. In today's video, you will practice everyday problems and solutions in English. I will say each sentence slowly and clearly. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Pay close attention to my pronunciation and rhythm. Let's begin. The problem is something is not working. This isn't working the way it should. This isn't working the way it should. I tried to fix it, but the problem is still there. I tried to fix it, but the problem is still there. Could you please take a look at this for me? Could you please take a look at this for me? It stopped working earlier today. It stopped working earlier today. The next problem is being late or delayed. I'm sorry I'm late. There was a lot of traffic. I'm sorry I'm late. There was a lot of traffic. Something came up and I couldn't leave on time. Something came up and I couldn't leave on time. Thank you for waiting. I really appreciate it. Thank you for waiting. I really appreciate it. I'll try to be more punctual next time. I'll try to be more punctual next time. The next problem is not understanding. I'm not sure I understood what you meant. I'm not sure I understood what you meant. Could you explain that again a little more slowly? Could you explain that again a little more slowly? Let me make sure I understand this correctly. Let me make sure I understand this correctly. Thanks for explaining. That makes more sense now. Thanks for explaining. That makes more sense now. The next problem is a mistake or mix-up. I think there might be a small mistake here. I think there might be a small mistake here. This isn't exactly what I asked for. This isn't exactly what I asked for. Could we check this together, please? Could we check this together, please? Thank you for helping me fix the problem. Thank you for helping me fix the problem. The next problem is feeling uncomfortable or unsure. I don't feel comfortable with this situation. I don't feel comfortable with this situation. Can we talk about another solution? Can we talk about another solution? I appreciate your understanding. I appreciate your understanding. The next problem is asking for help, politely. Could you help me with this, please? Could you help me with this, please? I'm having a bit of trouble right now. I'm having a bit of trouble right now. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your support. Okay, these are some solution-focused, confident English phrases. Let's see how we can solve this together. Let's see how we can solve this together. That solution works well for me. That solution works well for me. These are calm closing phrases for real life. Thank you for your patience today. Thank you for your patience today. Everything is okay now. Thanks again. Everything is okay now. Thanks again. Great job, friends. Practicing everyday problems and solutions will help you feel more confident in real-life conversations. Listen and repeat often, and don't be afraid to speak. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and practice with me again. See you in the next Speak English Now video. Have a wonderful day or evening. Thank you.